Hey, what's up, guys? Your rideshare guy Ryan for Uber and Lyft. How does up to $550 cash in your pocket sound to you? Becoming simply by becoming a Uber driver, need extra cash for car payments, need extra cash for college loan, or need extra cash for a vacation. Well, by making up to $550 cash simply by putting in 75 trips by using my referral code, the top one right there. And also you see Lyft on there. I'm gonna explain about Lyft as well. Um, Lyft make $1.88 instantly on a bonus for uh, for making all the way up to $620. And here's the reason why, guys. I think that Uber and Lyft are great companies to work for. I always have that phone mount right above the dashboard, right below the window, so people could see where I'm going as far as the GPS navigation goes. And another thing is keep my car clean, light acceleration, light braking, nice following distance, keep water stocked in my car. And this is why I always get these 5-star ratings. And like I said, guys, it's a great opportunity. Don't let this go to waste. Like, comment, or subscribe. Have a good one.